eating this. See? Dates. Look delicious. Okay. What is this? Lipton tea. Okay. Whoa. So heavy.
Ginagawa mo.
Whoa. See? So big. Assalamualaikum everyone! Welcome back to Kitabs TV! But before anything else, let me greet you all Ramadan Kareem! Especially to our Muslim brothers and sisters all over the world! So for today's vlog, we will do unboxing! We are going to unbox this Ramadan box! So this Ramadan box came from Sharjah Islamic Bank and Sharjah Charity International. Thank you so much. So now let's start the unboxing. Okay, I got the scissors. Now, let's open it and find out what's inside of it. Okay, now let's check what's inside the box. Dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun. Ta-da!
Oh my God!
Wow!
Wow!
A lot of foods and stuff. Look. So here we got royal macaroni. More macaroni. And some dates. We can use this for iftar. We have some cooking oil. More cooking oil. And we got tomato paste. More tomato paste. Kidney beans. Now we got full cream milk.
That's yours because you are drinking milk every morning.
Of course.
Thank you, Sharjah Islamic Bank.
Whoa. Now we got green tea.
This is for Papa
Yeah.
because he loves tea. Karak chai.
Chicken cubes. And flour.
It's not flour, it's salt.
Yeah. Ooh, this one is sugar. It's upside
No need
down.
to just put it back.
Phew. And what we got here? And we got baked beans. More tomato paste. And this is Mansoor.
What Mansoor dal?
More macaroni. This one's very big.
flour.
Yeah, flour. And we got some rice. Ew. More kidney beans. Ooh. Look at this. More Mansur dal. More baked beans. More baked beans. And a lot of tomato paste. Ew. Macaroni, macaroni, macaroni. Tomato paste. More baked beans. One more baked beans. Tuna. And this is the last can of tomato paste. Ooh, vegetable cheese.
Ghee.
So now we're done with the unboxing. See, there's nothing inside anymore because all the stuff is here. Whoa, it's like a food mountain. So that's all for today, guys. Hope you liked the video.